Venkman! Venkman! Disgusting blob. I'm gonna have to hold it myself.
Come in, Ray.
Venkman! I saw it!
It's right here, Ray. He's looking at me.
Ugly little spud, isn't he?
I think he can hear you, Ray.
Don't move, it won't hurt you. Venkman! Venkman, what happened? Are you okay?
He slimed me.
That's great. Actual physical contact. Can you move?
Ray, come in, please.
It feels so funky.
Spangler, I'm with Venkman. He got slimed.
That's great, Ray. Save some for me.